Have you ever considered how your life could change if your office wasn't confined to four walls, but extended to the boundaries of the world? Welcome to the digital nomad lifestyle, a realm where location independence meets career progression. Our journey today takes us with a young woman from India embarking on an adventure that will transform her life. Her name is Anya. A techie by profession, Anya's dream was to explore the world while keeping her career intact. That's how she discovered the digital nomad lifestyle. Anya's journey began with the challenge of leaving her comfort zone. India, her home, was a world she knew inside out. But the thrill of the unknown beckoned. She packed her life into a suitcase, took a deep breath, and boarded a flight to her first destination, Thailand. The first few weeks were tough. She struggled with the language barrier, missed her favorite Indian spices, and sometimes the Wi-Fi didn't cooperate. But Anya was resolute. She learned basic Thai, discovered new cuisines, and found cafes with reliable internet. Each challenge she faced was a step forward, a triumph in her journey. Soon, Thailand became more than a foreign land to her. It became a place of inspiration, where she made friends from across the globe, discovered places untouched by tourism, and immersed herself in a culture completely distinct from her own. Anya was not just surviving as a digital nomad, she was thriving. Now let us take a pause. You're probably wondering, could I do this? Could I be a digital nomad? Yes, you can. It's a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing challenges, celebrating triumphs, and most importantly, it's about growth. If this lifestyle intrigues you, start with your own research. Websites like Nomad List and Remote Year can provide you with a wealth of information. Blogs and podcasts by experienced digital nomads can give you a first-hand insight into their life. Remember, the digital nomad lifestyle is not a holiday. It's a way of life. It's about balance. It's about making your world as big or as small as you want it to be. It's about freedom. Anya started as an innocent, curious teen from India. Today, she's an experienced digital nomad living her dream in Thailand. Her journey was not easy, but she wouldn't have it any other way. And who knows, maybe your journey is just a decision away. So, if you ever find yourself dreaming of a life beyond the four walls of your office, remember Anya. Remember the digital nomad lifestyle. Because the world is waiting, and so is your adventure.